Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Peter Griffin's voice using ElevenLabs. All right, let's begin. First, open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon on the left side of the screen and select the voice clone option. Next, upload a clean audio sample that contains only Peter Griffin's voice. To get the best results, use clips with minimal background noise and no other speakers. After uploading the audio, proceed with the voice cloning process. You'll then be asked to enter details for the voice, such as its name and any other required information. Fill in the necessary fields and save the voice clone. Keep in mind that saving and using cloned voices may require an active subscription. Once the voice has been created, go to the text-to-speech section. From there, open the voice selection menu and locate the cloned voice you just generated. Select the voice, enter the text you want it to read, and generate the audio. ElevenLabs will use the cloned voice to create the speech output. So that's basically how you can get Peter Griffin's voice using ElevenLabs. That's it for this video. Thanks.